green. Okay. Gotta have the money green for the team. Now, if you want to get into this stuff, the link is in the bio. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all tap in. My boy, he's got the drill. Oh, shit. Hold up. In the studio. All the bags really go hard, cause like you can lose them. You got the six, you know what I'm saying? You got the magic six to go with it. That's what makes it even more crazy, you know what I'm saying? You got yellow go to yellow, you know what I'm saying? You got red go to red, black go to black, green, blue. Got it. Yeah. How these gonna work? Take plenty of trips to Dubai with these bags, baby. One box, that you get box. Man, as you can see, man, my boy going crazy, man. He got his junk going crazy. Look, I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna show y'all how to get that bags, man. Let me see, can I turn this shit around? Yeah, man. I'm gonna give y'all a better look at them, though, with quality on them. You can smell the metal, smell the leather. Let's see what we got in bag number 2, though. Come on. Let's see what we got in box number 2. S.O.C.E bag collection, man. I'm talking about. All summer long. Ready for all the pool party. Let's see what the drip. Okay, we got some socks in here. Look like some socks and some. Let's see what we got in here. Alright, we got some socks. Soap. Okay, got some socks. Let's see. Show these socks. Okay, we got pink socks for the girls. We got them pink socks. Red and white socks. With red and white drip. Okay. You know, show gotta have black and white socks. For sure, the black and white. Now we got some white and black. Okay, we gotta have the red and white ones. All red with the white on them. The packages come with your customary you just hang these hang them up in your store just like that. What other colors we got in them? Okay. Oh, okay, got the hats. Oh, these hard. Scullies. Swag for Scullies. Black and red. Black and pink Scully. Scullies. No sock, no sock. We got some more socks in here. No socks. We got the white and black socks. Wild socks. Got soap.